Welcome to BugBug Mountain Climb on Data Cruise Arcade, a hazard guessing game that sneaks data skills into every decision you make. Here's how it works. Your goal is to survive 7 days on the mountain with stamina still in the tank. BugBug starts with 4 stamina points, run out, and the climb ends immediately. Each day, you're shown 3 face-down cards. 2 are hazards. 1 is safe. They all look identical, so you pick one and trust your gut. Pick the safe card, and BugBug climbs higher. That day gets plotted as a new point on your altitude chart. Pick a hazard, you slide back down, lose altitude, and drop 1 stamina. Here's the twist. The weather changes the type of hazard you're facing. A sunny day brings heat stroke and dehydration. Cloudy means fog and wrong turns. Stormy? Lightning, rivers, and mysterious doors. The 7-day forecast is always visible at the top. Use it. Every survived day adds a data point to your line chart. By the end of the game, you've built a real visual record of your climb. Gains, dips, recoveries, all plotted automatically. Make it to day 7, and BugBug plants a trophy at whatever altitude you reached. Check your chart. That's your story. Find BugBug Mountain Climb for free on Data Cruise Arcade. And if you enjoy learning through play, the full series has 10 more games just like it.